Matrix multiplication has a fundamental rule. You can only multiply two matrices if the number of columns in the first matrix equals the number of rows in the second matrix. Here we have column 1, column 2, and column 3 in the first matrix. This equals the number of rows in the second matrix. This is row 1, row 2, and row 3. We can write above that this is a 2 by 3 matrix, 2 rows, 3 columns. The second matrix has 3 rows and 2 columns. Notice that the number of columns in the first matrix is the same as the number of rows in the second matrix. Therefore, we can multiply these two matrices together. And you'll see that the resultant matrix is 2 by 2. That means 2 rows with 2 columns. It should look like this. So there in each box here, we'll need to find the values of this matrix multiplication. So that the value for the first box will be the first row, which we're going to multiply by the first column. The value for the second box will be also the first row, and we're going to use the second column. We then fill the third box, and this will be the second row with the first column. And now we can fill the last box, and this will be the second row with the second column. So this is a colorful way to show you how we do the multiplication. And you can see that we're doing the first row with the first column and the first row with the second column. And the colors could help you here. The second row with the first column and the second row with the second column. Now we don't need to write this like this. This is only to show you what is happening. So let's do the multiplication. We are first going to multiply this row with this column here. We'll multiply the first number in the first row with the first number in the first column. Add this up to the second number times the second number in the second column, and then we add this up and multiply the third number, which is 4, times the last number in the column, which is -2. Now do the same thing for row 1, column 2, and also do it for the second row and first column, and also for the second row and second column. Now I can simplify this, so this will be 5 plus 0 minus 8, and the other side will be 2 plus 6 plus 16, and we'll have -5 plus 0 minus 6, and -2 plus 0 plus 12. Simplify it one more time, and 5 minus 8 is -3. 2 plus 6 is 8, and that's 24. And -5 minus 6 is -11, and -2 plus 12 is 10. And this is the answer to our problem. Now I need you to understand that this part here was mainly for illustration, and we do not need to write this out. Writing it in this form here is very useful, but you do not need to write this part. You may go straight away to the final matrix. And this is what the process looks like. I hope that you found it useful. And if you did, then please subscribe and also like this.